Capturing stunning property visuals requires precision, stability, and cinematic perspective to impress buyers and elevate every listing. Best Drone for Real Estate Photography helps agents create sharp aerial shots, smooth videos, and presentations that boost engagement and sales in markets. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K Drone. The DJI Mini 4K drone is designed for users who want premium aerial footage in a compact, travel-ready form without the burden of registration or complex setup. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids FAA registration for recreational use, making it incredibly convenient to carry and fly anywhere. Despite its small size, the performance feels far from entry-level. The 4K Ultra HD camera paired with a 3-axis gimbal delivers remarkably smooth, cinematic shots, handling bright daylight, sunsets, and even nighttime scenes with impressive clarity. The footage remains crisp thanks to the gimbal's stabilization, which ensures that vibrations and sudden motions do not compromise video quality. Its ability to resist level 5 winds at 38 kph adds confidence, especially when flying near the coast, hills, or open fields where gusts are common. The brushless motors give it the strength to ascend reliably even at high altitudes up to 4,000 meters. With a 10-kilometer HD transmission range and strong anti-interference capabilities, you can fly far across landscapes while maintaining a stable video feed. Another benefit is the long battery options. Depending on the set you choose, you can fly for 31, 62, or even 93 minutes, making it ideal for extended shooting sessions. Beginner-friendly controls such as one-tap takeoff, landing, GPS RTH, and stable hovering help new pilots get comfortable quickly, and the in-app learning resources make the learning curve easy. The only minor inconvenience is the need to download the DJI Fly app from the official website instead of Google Play, but once installed, the experience is smooth and reliable. Overall, the DJI Mini 4K drone is an outstanding blend of portability, performance, camera quality, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for travelers, beginners, and creators looking for high-quality footage without complexity. Number 2. Potensic ATOM Drone. The Potensic ATOM drone brings together portability, stability, and strong camera performance in a package well-suited for beginners and intermediate pilots alike. Weighing less than 249 grams, it skips FAA and remote ID registration requirements, allowing new flyers to get into the air quickly without extra steps. Its compact, foldable design makes it extremely easy to carry, fitting into a jacket pocket or small bag, making it perfect for travel and outdoor activities. One of its standout features is the 4K EIS camera built with a Sony sensor, capturing sharp 12MP photos and smooth videos at 4K 30 FPS. With the Shake Vanish technology, stability is noticeably improved, ensuring clearer shots even during light movement or wind. Its camera range of plus 20 degrees to minus 90 degrees allows flexible shooting angles that help capture creative perspectives. The SearchFly control system gives the drone a fantastic balance between ease of use and performance. Beginners can start in beginner mode, while more experienced pilots can switch between video, normal, and sport modes, with sport mode pushing speeds up to 16 meters per second for thrilling flights. The included 2 batteries provide up to 62 minutes of combined flight time, reducing the need for frequent recharging during extended shooting sessions. The PixSync 2.0 transmission provides a 4-kilometer control range and low-latency HD video feed, enhancing confidence during long-distance flights. Its GPS functionality ensures stable positioning and automatic return to home during signal loss or low battery. Extra intelligent modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight add creative possibilities and automation for better storytelling. Overall, the Potensic ATOM drone is a reliable and enjoyable drone for travelers, beginners, and hobbyists looking for portability, stable footage, and generous flight time without stepping into a higher price bracket. Number 3. SKYROVER X1 Drone. The SKYROVER X1 drone targets users who want cutting-edge imaging technology, advanced flight features, and long-range performance in a lightweight design that avoids FAA registration requirements. With its under 249-gram body, it becomes an effortless travel companion, ideal for hiking, road trips, and content creation on the go. The camera is one of its biggest highlights, offering 8K photo capability that delivers detailed, vibrant images with minimal noise, while the 4K 60 FPS HDR video ensures smooth, high-contrast footage in varying lighting conditions. This makes it suitable for daylight exploration, cityscapes, and nighttime filming thanks to its advanced Super Night mode. The 360-degree obstacle sensing system significantly enhances safety, especially for beginners or creators filming in tight or complex areas. This feature reduces crash risks and builds confidence while flying near trees, buildings, or uneven terrain. The SkyBridge transmission system extends its range to an impressive 50,000 feet, or 15 kilometers, providing a stable 1080p 60 FPS live feed even in crowded urban environments where interference is common. This long-range capability opens opportunities for large-scale landscape exploration and extended tracking shots. Its intelligent dynamic shooting modes, including smart spotlight and dual tracking, allow smooth tracking of fast-moving subjects, such as bikes, vehicles, or running individuals, making the drone suitable for sports, travel vlogs, and action-focused content. The drone is backed by a 12-month local service warranty, adding reassurance for long-term use. Overall, the SKYROVER X1 drone combines high-resolution imaging, impressive transmission performance, advanced obstacle detection, and strong tracking features, making it a powerful choice for creators who want professional-level results in a lightweight, portable setup.
Number 4. DJI Mini 3 Drone. The DJI Mini 3 drone delivers premium imaging performance and an excellent flight experience in a lightweight design that stays under 249 grams, meaning no FAA registration or remote ID is required for recreational flights. This makes it perfect for new users who want a stress-free way to begin flying while still enjoying high-quality features. Its 4K HDR video quality is a major strength, producing crisp, detailed footage with rich colors and strong contrast. The dual native ISO fusion helps the camera handle both bright and low-light environments more effectively, enhancing dynamic range and clarity in highlights and shadows. The drone's true vertical shooting makes it especially attractive for social media creators, giving users the ability to capture vertical footage ideal for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Its wind resistance at level 5 and the 3-axis gimbal ensures stable footage even in breezy conditions, while brushless motors support strong performance and reliable takeoff at high altitudes. The video transmission system reaches up to 10 kilometers, offering a stable HD feed with excellent anti-interference capability. Battery life is also impressive, with up to 38 minutes on the standard battery and up to 51 minutes using the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, though the heavier battery pushes the drone above the 249-gram category. The Fly More combo provides up to 114 minutes of combined flight time, which is ideal for travel, long shoots, or multiple takes. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 drone combines pro-level filming capabilities, strong stability, extended flight time options, and a user-friendly flying experience in a compact, portable frame, making it one of the best choices for creators and hobbyists alike. Number 5. Glorale 1640-foot drone. The Glorale 1640-foot drone is designed for beginners who want a stable, feature-rich flying experience without spending a premium. Its 4K camera with a 110-degree wide-angle lens and 90-degree adjustable electronic tilt provides flexible shooting options for landscapes, tall structures, and open environments. Paired with an altitude hold function, the drone maintains smooth and steady footage, helping new pilots capture cinematic shots without worrying about unstable navigation. The 3-axis gimbal enhances overall stability, minimizing jitter, and helping photos and videos remain crisp even during movement or light wind. With a 1,640-foot transmission range, users can capture far-reaching scenes without losing video clarity. The drone also features helpful intelligent flight options, such as waypoint flight, where users can draw custom paths for automated flying. Safety is a major focus thanks to its GPS-based features, including precise positioning and return to home in situations such as low battery or lost signal. The GPS follow and circle fly modes expand creative possibilities, allowing hands-free tracking and cinematic orbit shots. Beginners will appreciate the dedicated beginner mode and headless mode, which simplify control and prevent orientation confusion. This feature gives new pilots confidence as they practice and reduces the risk of crashes. The drone's 2 included batteries offer up to 44 minutes of total flight time, which is plenty for learning, exploration, and recording multiple scenes. Its lightweight, foldable design adds portability, making it easy to carry during travel or outdoor activities. Overall, the Glorale 1640-foot drone is an ideal entry-level choice for newcomers who want intuitive controls, strong safety features, stable 4K recording, and a generous set of intelligent flight tools at an affordable price.
Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.